Welcome to Metrics Learning. Metrics Learning is an online learning platform designed for motivated individuals wanting to upgrade their skills. In this tutorial, you will learn how to register for the program and how to access your online training. To gain access to the Metrics Learning system, click on the Sign Up for Metrics Learning link. Once you read and understand the Metrics Learning system policies, click the checkbox and then request a login. In order to receive a login, you will be instructed to register with your basic information. Enter your first and last name, email address, city, state, zip code, and any other required information. If you are a veteran, please note this as well. Indicate the type of courses that you would like to take, business and IT courses or healthcare courses. Clicking on either the underlined business, IT, or healthcare courses text will bring you to a catalog link for both kinds of courses. Select the preferred language you would like to take metrics training in and answer the "Is ice hot or cold?" question. Then, click Register to submit your information. Once you submit this information, you will receive an automated username and password to the email address provided. Once your login is approved, you will have access to the Metrics Learning system. Please allow 1 to 2 business days for this process. This is the login page. In order to keep your license active, you will need to launch an activity within the first 14 days of having your license. If not, your license will be recycled back. You can log into Metrics 24/7 from any computer with internet access. When you log into Metrics, you will be brought to the dashboard page. This lists information about your activity in the Metrics Learning system. Before you begin in Metrics, we recommend that you check your computer settings to ensure that they are compatible. Under Help, Browser Check, you can check to see if your computer settings will allow Metrics to fully function. If a setting is not compatible with Metrics, you will see a red X icon as well as an explanation on how to adjust it. We will talk more about the support features in Metrics at the end of this tutorial. On the dashboard page, you will see the 3 steps to Metrics Learning. Step number 1 is Get Started. Clicking on the Getting Started icon will bring you to the first step of Metrics, which is to assess your skills. If you are using Metrics for career exploration, you can do an assessment of up to 150 skills to receive job recommendations. Or, if you know what type of career you would like to go into, you can select Skip to Job Titles to set your goal job and be recommended courses to take. Let's select Start Now under Assess Your Skills. On the My Career Skill Profile page, you can rate yourself on up to 150 different skills from None, Beginner, Intermediate, to Advanced. After completing the assessment at the bottom of the page, click Submit to view your job fit. Based upon your skills rating, the system will recommend your job fit, which are jobs that may be of interest to you. Based upon state labor market data, the job fit page lists the different job titles, the number employed, hourly wages, links to job postings, and gives you an option to set this as your goal job. Let's return to step number 1. If you already know what kind of job you would like to go into, you can click Skip to Job Titles to set your goal job. The My Career Job Titles page gives a list of over 1,000 different job titles you can choose from. The job titles are pulled from the Federal ONET database, which is the government's database of occupational information. Let's select the first option, Accountants. Clicking on the name of a job title will bring you to a page that lists the different tasks, as well as the different skills that are associated. If this is the job title that you would like to pursue, click Make Goal Job. Once you select your goal job, you will be brought to the My Career Goal Job page. The next step is to rate your skills. Here, you will do a self-assessment of the skills related to your job title. Rate yourself from each skill from none, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Based upon how you rate yourself for each skill, the system will recommend level-appropriate courses to take. We ask that you be honest. Based upon how you rate yourself, the system will recommend more accurate course recommendations. Once you finish the assessment, click Submit. You will then be brought to the Goal Job page. If you scroll down, you will find a list of the skills that are associated with your goal job, the importance rate of each skill, how you rated yourself, and different courses that are recommended to you. Based upon your self-assessment, these courses are designed to strengthen your skill level and help you move toward your career goal. Let's return to the dashboard. As you can see here, your goal job and information about your skill level are now populated. The goal job page listed suggested courses geared toward your career. If you know what kind of courses or training you would like to take, you can search through the Metrics Learning Catalog by going to the Catalog tab or step number 2 in Metrics. Let's click Learn. This will bring us to the catalog, which is the full Metrics Learning offering of courses, all training in the system. There are over 5,000 courses in Metrics Learning that are provided by 2 main learning content providers. First, Skillsoft is the top learning provider for desktop, IT, business, and soft skill courses. Many Fortune 1000 companies use training for staff. Next, Medcom is our healthcare content provider for courses in areas such as billing and coding, nursing, and medical office programs. If you know what you're looking for, you can type a desired phrase into the keyword box. For instance, let's say that we are interested in training in Excel 2013. Type Excel 2013 into the keyword box and press Go. Here you will see 20 different activities related to Excel 2013 appear. If you are interested in learning more about a course, click on a course name. This will give you information about the course, including a course description. If you are interested in taking the course, you will need to add it to your My Plan. To do this, click on Add to My Plan or the plus sign in the catalog page. Another way to add courses is by category. Going to Catalog, categorically, will give a listing of courses that are grouped by topic. You can choose from healthcare courses or business, desktop, and IT courses. Next, let's take a look at industry certifications. Metrics Learning offers training for over 100 industry-recognized credentials. Each track lists the courses in the order that you should take them. Certification tracks can range in the amount of courses and total training offered. Metrics Learning offers training for exams such as Microsoft Office, Project Management, Six Sigma, Human Resources, CompTIA, Cisco, and more. Certification tracks are separated into desktop, business, and IT certifications. Say that we want to become a project management professional. Click on Business Certifications, Project Management Institute, and then the orange triangle next to Project Management Professional, and you will see a list of the different courses that this training track is made of. The courses are listed from beginner to advanced. Many of the industry certification tracks come with mentoring and test prep. Mentoring is 24/7 access to a Skillsoft representative who is knowledgeable about the certification content. If you are taking training for a certification exam, the mentoring will not give you a score and is not required to access. Test prep is a feature for you to see if you are prepared for the certification exam. In order to successfully complete the test prep, you must take and pass that activity in certification mode. To add an entire track of training, click on Add to My Plan. Please note, you will not become certified solely through taking these courses. In order to gain an industry certification, you must take an exam at a proctored testing center. Many exams also have prerequisites or educational requirements. In addition, many certifications require that you take and pass more than one exam. The links on the Industry Certification Tracks page to the vendor websites provide more information. The last way to add courses to the catalog is skill tracks. Skill tracks are groups of courses designed to help you enhance a specific skill. If you are unsure of what courses you would like to take, we have created course tracks to help you train in these particular skill areas. On the Skill Tracks page, you can search the different topics to be recommended courses that will help you enhance this skill. Let's return to the dashboard. You can also see that there is a list of popular courses and metrics that you can add to your My Plan. Now that we have selected our courses, let's go to the My Plan page. This is accessible in the top navigation bar of Metrics. The My Plan is separated into two different sections, My Activities and My Report. The My Activities page lists all the courses that you are taking in Metrics. This is also the page that you will launch an activity from by clicking on the up arrow button under Action. You will see information about the courses you are taking, including their status, due date, and completion date. Next, let's go to the My Report tab. Your My Report is a log of your progress in the system. It lists the activities that you've taken, passed, failed, and your overall time in the system. To pass an activity, you must receive an 80% or higher. If you pass an activity, you will see a certificate of completion icon. Clicking on this icon will open a new window and will allow you to print a certificate verifying your completion. The certificate will note your name, activity, date of completion, and whether it was a Skillsoft or Medcom course. If you do not obtain an 80% or higher, you are able to retake courses an unlimited amount of times to gain the score that you want. Let's return to the dashboard. As you can see, information about your progress in Metrics learning, as well as information about any certifications you are taking training for, is populated. Now, let's go to the final step of Metrics, find a job. Clicking on step number 3 will bring you to Indeed.com or another job search engine. Here, you can look for job postings in your area. Clicking on any of the job titles that populate will give you information about the skills and knowledge needed, which may also guide you in searching for training through Metrics. This is brought up in a separate window so that you can return to Metrics. Information about job postings is listed here on the dashboard as well. If you are having technical trouble in Metrics or can't get a course to launch, you can go to the Help Support tab to troubleshoot. First, our tutorials page provides helpful how-to videos on using Metrics. In addition, we have a knowledge base of common problems customers encounter and detailed steps for resolving these problems. Lastly, if your problem is still not resolved, you can create a new support ticket to reach Metrics Learning staff. Support staff is available Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time, and will respond to your inquiry within 1 to 2 business days. Lastly, we will show you the My Account page. If you need to change your location, name, email, password, or language, you can do that here. To save any changes, click Submit. Beyond English, we also have content available in Spanish and Mandarin Chinese. If you were to select one of these languages, the website would translate the system to the new language, as well as populate the courses in that language into the catalog. This concludes the Getting Started tutorial. Best of luck in Metrics Learning. We hope you take full advantage of the Metrics Learning system by taking as many courses and assessments necessary in order for you to achieve your career goals.